Hi, good morning. I'm Tamara with Wyoming Dutch Oven Cooking. Welcome to our channel. Of course, we're down here in Yuma, Arizona still, and it is beautiful. We're doing something very simple today. It's a wonderful breakfast. It's called Southwest Strata, breakfast strata, and it's got all kinds of wonderful, yummy things in it. And I've gone ahead and got everything prepared ahead of time, and this works out great. You can do this when you going up in the mountains. It's a very hearty breakfast. First, I've oiled my Dutch oven. This is a 10-inch Dutch oven, and I have cubed my bread. There's about 6 slices of bread that I'm going to put in there, and we're going to go ahead and do that first. Put that down in here evenly. There you go. And now I'm going to add some chopped onions, peppers, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And we hope you're enjoying this with us today. As you can see, it's about a half of a green pepper, red pepper, yellow pepper. I'm going to put that on there. But we hope you enjoy this with us today. And please subscribe and hit that like button. And leave a comment. And of course, share with all your family and friends. That would be great. And now what I've got here is a cup of ham and about a cup of pepperoni. We're going to put that on top. This is very, very good. This is awesome up in the mountains when we're out camping. And now I'm going to put some thinly sliced fresh tomatoes. Boy, I got a lot of wonderful things going on here, don't I? My goodness. And I'm going to kind of squish this down. Now, this is diced chilies, and if you want to put a little more giddy up in it, which my husband loves, anything with more of a kick to it, you can put freshly diced jalapenos. Now I'm going to put freshly chopped cilantro. There you go. And then I have 6 eggs that I've whipped up here, and I'd put a teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of garlic and a cup of half and half. I'm going to pour this all over it. I know you want to come join us for breakfast, don't you? But boy, is this very, very hearty and simple to make. Now what we're going to do is put the lid on this and bake it with the lid on 350 for about 45 minutes, and then we'll take the lid off and put grated cheddar cheese on, put the lid back on and let that melt and enjoy. Oh my, doesn't that look wonderful? We put the cheese on, put the lid back on, and just put it long enough for it to melt. And boy, are we going to enjoy this. Just remember, we do have a website, and it's called WyomingDutchOvenCooking.com. If you go to that website, we have a wonderful user's guide on the tips and care of our cast iron and a free recipe book. Well, I'm going to try a bite of this wonderful breakfast strata. It is a Southwest breakfast strata, and it does have a bit of a kick to it. Oh my, that's wonderful. Of course, our motto is great food shared with family and friends equals great times. Thank you for joining us today. Until we meet again.